guys, it's the first drive with the dumps, and holy shit, this thing is loud. I mean, that's to be expected, but this might be a little bit much. I don't know what to do right now, but we're gonna see how it sounds to actually driving. I do love you can hear nothing but turbos on D-cell and stuff, so that's cool. Sorry the sun's making me look all weird right now, but man, this is intense. I don't know. Good thing I could just unbolt it if I ever get sick of it, but we'll see. It sounds pretty freaking crazy, I'll tell you that. Oh my God! Woo! This thing sounds ridiculous. Oh my God. All right, one more time. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? That is fucking awesome. Alright, so just after a little bit of driving it, it's really not too bad. It has a little bit of drone. But I mean, with the 10 speed, I could put it in 10th gear and like right now I can talk. We can have a conversation. It's really not that bad. This definitely isn't for everybody though. I absolutely love it for the turbo sounds. And at wide open throttle, or you know, like half throttle, it just sounds like a jet. It sounds insane. All you hear is turbo, and then the wastegate's open, and the blow off. It just sounds insane. I mean, I don't know if it gained any power or anything. I don't know. It could have, but I don't know. I didn't really do that for that. It sounds ricey, but all I really wanted to do was just do it for the turbo noise, and that's just the change vibrating around. Sorry about that. But yeah, if I stay at like 70 or something in 10th gear, it's really not bad. See? It quiets right down. And I don't think it's any louder than when I had to have full cat back on, to be honest with you. Cruising wide open throttle, yeah, it's way louder, but it's really like not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I know the turbos act like mufflers and stuff, but wow. I wish you guys could actually hear it in person because it sounds insane. It sounds nuts. Right now I'm just cruising to Cecil County Drag Strip. I'm just going to hang out today. With my work schedule, I'm not really able to go a lot. So I'm going to go tonight. It's a beautiful night out. Hang out with some friends and watch some cool cars. But I'll try to get some clips of the car in the meantime. Yeah, so when you get it down in 10th gear, below like 1500, it starts getting a little droney, but it's not too bad. I actually don't mind it, but like I said, the dumps cost me $50 off Summit, and they just bolted right on, so I could just unbolt it, throw the catback back on, and I'm done. I really just wanted to try it. I've always wanted to try dumps on a twin turbo car, and I finally did it. So that's all this was. It was kind of just like an experiment, but I ended up liking it way more than I thought I would. So we'll see how long I keep this on here. But yeah, like I said, the beauty is I can just go back and forth. So we'll catch back up with you guys at the track and see what kind of cool cars are there. I'm having way too much fun with these dumps right now. Oh my God. As soon as it clears up, I'm gonna try to do one little pull. It's just gonna spin, but you guys gotta hear it. You guys gotta hear what it sounds like under full power. I mean, this thing sounds like a damn pro mod. It's insane. Oh man. Wow. Hold on. Oh my God. Try to roll into it right here, fifth. Oh my God. Guys, this car is intense now. These dumps are ridiculous. I keep saying it, but holy crap. I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere to pull over and get some revs, so hear it from outside the car, hear some revs, I don't know. But this is crazy. This is nuts. Downshifts are pretty cool. That never gets old. All right, guys, it's the next day. Night footage never really turns out that great. Oh, sirens in the background. Sorry about that. But I want to see what my grandfather thought of this, so I'm going to give him a ride with the dumps on the car, get his reaction. Sorry about the bike. And see what he thinks of it. So I'm gonna go get him, start recording, and we'll see what happens. Cold start's pretty brutal. Huh? Cold start's pretty brutal.
Yeah, I know.
Vibrates everything. We'll let it warm up. Nah, you're good. Oh, I'm telling you, you know what? Let's go this way. Wait till you hear this thing.
Yeah, a lot of traffic.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
It's loud.
It's loud.
Louder than what you had with your regular bikes on there.
Oh, for sure. But it's not too bad.
I mean, I even said it to you. I said it's going to be louder than what you have, and you said no. I said,
oh no, it's definitely gonna be louder than the full exhaust. But if this car was like supercharged or NA or something with the dumps, I think it would be even like louder, way worse. But I'm telling you, wait till it gets under boost. It sounds ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I told you, it's like
that's I felt the push down.
Oh yeah, we were sideways.
Holy shit.
But it sounds ridiculous. Here, watch, I can just do this. turbos. Don't that sound awesome?
Yeah.
That's all I love doing. And the downshifts are pretty cool. But look, I can just put it, well, we're going up a hill right here, but hold on. There's ninth gear, look, it quiets right down. And we can talk. It's not, it's like, it's so weird.
Yeah.
It's like two different cars, like just cruising, it's like loud, but it's like not too bad, but then wide open throttle, it's like, holy shit, what was that? I love it. And this is only 10 pounds.
You don't want to go any higher.
9.6, that's it. Yeah, there's no point because I need tires.
Yeah.
It just spins, so I got to shift, but that's only maybe 6,500, 7 grand if I'm lucky. It's nuts, Mom.
Well, I gotta say one thing. I got a bigger pair of balls than that vet had. And that vet had some balls.
Well, that's saying it. That's saying a lot. Yeah, this is definitely... Would you stop it?
You are so pretty.
Oh my God. Guys, as you can see, the car is insane, and I actually really like the dump, so it's really not as bad as I thought it was. And I think my grandfather liked it too. So once this 315 diff, where is it? Right there. Once that thing goes in, I get some fresh tires. Hopefully I can take everybody for a proper ride where it's not blowing the tires off and fighting for traction the whole time. So yeah, it's awesome, and I'm really loving it. So for 50 bucks, you can't beat it. Also wanted to give a shout out to Zito. These guys sent me over LED reverse light for the Mustang. Check them out on Instagram. So yeah, this is Zito. Here you go, here's the box. I'm gonna actually try and install this right now, show you guys. If you have an S550, I know you know how the stock bulb for the reverse light is just terrible. And a nice upgraded LED one. Should be a pretty nice upgrade for the rear. So I'm gonna try to install this right now, and I'll put their link down below. So shout out to these guys, thank you a lot. Let's go. So I just did it. I mean, it's really nothing to it. You just take this bulb out. This is the stock one. And here's the upgraded one. Bam, looks really bright, and I'm about to show you guys right now. As you can see, way better, way brighter. Looks really good. So yeah, that's it. Zito. Shout out to these guys. Their bulbs are awesome. They have tons of LED lights for all kinds of cars. Like I said, I'll put their description down below. I'll tag their Instagram. Give these guys a follow. And big thank you to those guys for sending it out. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Sorry, it's kind of all over the place. But thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the dumps. So far, I'm really liking them. I hope you guys like them too. And 315 diff going in very soon. And we're gonna let this thing eat. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.